Let's see here. I want to know if it's possible to remove the throttle sleeve off a Kuryakin grip. The bike came with the grips, but I'd like to replace them with something more simple and plain. So this is kind of a basic one, but I get a lot of questions that I feel are kind of stupid, but then again, I have to remind myself, there was a point in time where I didn't know dick about fuck either. So if you want to remove the grips from your bike, you can just cut them off. If they're metal, then you can pull them off. If they're glued, good fucking luck. You're going to have a great time taking them off. You don't ever need to use glue on grips. If you do, you better only be on your BMX bike, because on a motorcycle, the easiest way to really get grips on and off is with compressed air. You're basically going to take like this, just hook it up to your air compressor and put the grip on the bar and blow the air in it. It just goes, it'll slide right on the bar. Super, super quick. No spit, no WD-40, no hairspray, no glue. It's really clean and really quick. And when you want to take it off, you just wedge this underneath the grip and blow it, and blows right off. Make sure you're not standing on the business end of that grip coming off, because it will smack you in the crotch, and that's not fun. So yeah, if you want to put different grips on your bike, all you have to do is take the grips off that are there. If they're glued to the throttle sleeve, you'll need to get a replacement throttle sleeve. That's pretty much as simple as it gets.